Meaning of homicide.
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 Homicide. Homicide refers to the act of killing another person, either intentionally or unintentionally. The term is often used in legal contexts to refer to the crime of murder, but it can also encompass other forms of unlawful killing, such as manslaughter or negligence. Homicide is a serious offense and can result in severe legal consequences, including imprisonment, fines, and even the death penalty. In addition to its legal implications, homicide can have devastating emotional and psychological effects on the victim's loved ones, as well as on the perpetrator.